What's up guys, this is Caleb here from Srkcycles.com and you're looking at a 2012 Honda Goldwing, obviously the 1800. Guys, this bike is sick. I love this blue. We have so many good bikes with blue colors. It's got this crazy looking hitch on the back. A couple little scuffs in the paint. Man, this bike is gorgeous. Got a scratch down there and then the back of the bag. Scratch right there. This bike is absolutely gorgeous. Got a scuff right there on the side mirror, not a huge deal. This is all in really good shape. Slight little chip in the paint right there on the front fender. It does have this like crazy electric paint job on the front here. I think this is, you can get this out. I don't know how to. It's like kind of airbrushed on there. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad, I don't think. This is in really, really nice shape. You're gonna die when you see how many miles are on it because you're gonna be like, holy cow, this guy should keep this bike so perfect. Seats are perfect. It does have heated rear. It's got hookup for heated gear. And this thing's got everything. We're looking at heated grips and heated seat. We are looking, it's got the nav system. I mean, this is the fully loaded one, nav system, adjustable suspension. It's got XM. This thing's got everything, literally. Preload for your height adjustments. 50,000 miles, and let's this thing fire up right away. It runs so good. Now these premium models do have the premium audio, they have premium everything. I'm probably gonna be taking this on some giant trip soon, just because I really want to ride another Goldwing. I love Goldwings. I just haven't ridden Goldwings in a long time, and not a long time, in about 6 months I probably haven't ridden a Goldwing. I'm getting that Goldwing fever again. Like I said, 2012 with 50,000 on it. The bike is gorgeous. I love this blue. We have tons of great blue bikes right now. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.